Tired of your phone dying when you need it most? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh, your ultimate power solution for 2025 and beyond. This isn't just any portable charger. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it can fully charge your iPhone over 6 times, or power up multiple devices on the go. Imagine weekend trips or long flights without constantly searching for an outlet. It's truly liberating. What makes it truly special is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology. It intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge possible, meaning less waiting and more doing. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices at full speed simultaneously, perfect for sharing power or keeping your phone and tablet topped up. No more fighting over outlets. This powerful bank handles it all with ease. Anker is known for its exceptional reliability and premium build quality, ensuring this portable powerhouse will be your trusted companion for years to come. If you're looking to buy the best portable charger that actually delivers on its promises, don't get caught with a dead battery again. Click the Amazon link in the description now to grab your Anker PowerCore 20000 mAh and stay powered wherever you go.